Hey you guys, so today I'm not doing a cooking video. I come out to sit on the porch a few minutes, and I want to share with you all something that has blessed my socks off this week. So remember, I told you all that some days I won't be cooking, but there will be times that I will talk about the Lord and things that He's done in my life, and I would share that with you all. So this is one of those times. So this week, me and my husband have been studying and in the Bible, and I know everybody has heard the story about when Jesus was in the boat and a bad storm came and how all the disciples that were on the boat were scared. We've all heard that. I've been in church most of my life. I've heard the word most of my life. But I've never heard some of the things I'm going to tell you all about this story. So, did you know that when that storm came upon Jesus when he was in that boat, do you know where he was headed? He was headed to heal and deliver a man that had legions of demons in him. 6,000. That's where Jesus was headed when this storm came upon him. Did you know that when Jesus healed that man and those demons were cast out and went into the pigs, those pigs ran into the same water that storm was in that tried to take Jesus out? Did you know that before this man, when Jesus healed somebody, he always told them to go and don't tell nobody? He raised the dead, and he told the family, go and don't tell nobody until this man. He told this man, he begged Jesus to go with him, and Jesus told him, he said, go and tell everybody. Go and tell everybody what I've done. So, did you know, this keeps getting better and better. Did you know that man who was demon-possessed, terrorizing everybody, running around naked, cussing, cutting himself, the community wrote him off, didn't want nothing to do with him? Did you know that after Jesus cleansed him, he went to 10 different cities and showed them and told them what Jesus did? He was a walking testimony. Everybody that seen him knew what he was before. After Jesus healed that man that terrorized that whole community, they asked Jesus to leave. They were scared, and they asked him to leave, and he did. But did you know when this man went around 10 cities and told what Jesus had done for him, he prepared the way for when Jesus came back, those same people that asked him to leave welcomed him back. And Jesus preached to 4,000 people because this one man who Jesus loved, he went across the sea, he went across the storm to get to him, to deliver him. He became one of the first evangelists to go and preach in that region. And he prepared the way for Jesus to come right back and preach to 4,000 people. Listen, I've heard of the story all my life, but not in that detail. And it's blessed my socks off. And listen, I hope that blesses you all. And I will see you all probably tomorrow night with a good supper. And God loves you all. I hope you all have a good night. Bye-bye.